Hello everybody, my name is Platisium. I don't know how to pronounce it. Platisium, I guess you could call me that. But anyways, hey, what's up guys, it's Platisium here. And this is my first ever video on YouTube. So I'm just gonna make it really quick, just like explaining on myself and so you guys are gonna know me a little bit. Right, so if I do sound like a little squeaker, I don't care. You guys don't have to deal with it, I'm guessing, if you watch my videos. My name's Kevin, and I'm currently 12 years old in the 7th grade by the time I'm making this video, which is February 15th, 2013. Yeah. And my plan on YouTube is to get maybe partnered to get at least some subscribers. I'm not aiming for like a lot. So yeah, and I will be getting a new microphone soon. So if you guys can't hear me right now, I'm sorry, but I will be getting a new microphone soon. So yeah, and that's pretty much all I have to say. Yeah, I'll be bringing to you guys some Happy Wheels games. Happy Wheels, I'll be bringing some videos of that, and I'll be bringing some videos of Team Fortress 2, maybe Team Fortress 2, I'm not really sure, and Minecraft on PC. I will be getting Minecraft soon, so I will probably upload that too. But yeah, so anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and do all that good stuff. Yeah, alright, I'll see you guys later.